Yo, what's up, guys? I'm going to be playing Animal Blocks because Egg VR is spawned because they used AI. So let's go play this. Hopefully I can load in the house.
So may I have to fire you? I
Wait.
may fire you at any moment.
No, blocked. Blocked? Yep, it's locked. Okay. I'm gonna go to this house. I'm gonna go to this beautiful house. Yo, what's up?
Okay, good.
Wait! He didn't die.
Yeah. Oh, this house looks a little broken.
Alive. He faked it.
So I don't think I want to go here. Bro, every house I go to is just broken, for real. Maybe this house is better. Hopefully this house is better. Oh. I'm gonna go here. No, I'm gonna go.
Get out, get out.
Oh,
Get out.
sorry. Are you still working on it? Oh, I'm sorry.
Where
No,
is bro
God dang
hiding?
it.
Bro, where is Cheetos hiding?
Yeah, it can be it for
Yo,
the video.